Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will walk through how to create a custom guest notification template and explore the various customization options available. Let's start. Let's head over to the gear icon on the top right and guest notification. Click on the new notification template and let's name our template as demo template. Create. So here, once you have a new custom template, it is not something which is a blank template that you need to create from scratch, but it is a copy of the system template. Now, you do have the option to customize the whole body and the subject line too. So for the demo, we'll keep the subject as it is, but we will go ahead and select the whole body and remove it completely. So we have a blank template here that needs to be changed now. So let's say we have an annual review meeting and we want a custom template for that particular meeting type. Let's insert our text here. So we have our custom text that is confirming the annual review has been scheduled. So let's see and how to add the variables. Variables are the fields to which the customer data is mapped to, and you can add them to the notification. Let's say contact first name, then meeting. Here we have the annual review has been scheduled successfully. Now let's add meeting details. You can click on the variable, scroll down the list and add or select this relevant meeting data or the custom field or the meeting field that you want to add. But the other option is press add and let's say purpose. We have a variable called purpose of the meeting that has been added now. Then let's say meeting date and time has been added and also add the location. So we have our custom variables added here along with the default variables, contact fields, contact data. All of them have been added here. Now, you want to go ahead and send your clients a document that you want them to review or go through before the meeting. And you would need to send them via hyperlink. So highlight the text and then click on the hyperlink option, insert the link, apply. So this URL has been added, which will be sent to the client along with the notification, which they can access and review the details or the documents or anything that you want them to review before the meeting. So this is how you can customize your email. Now we have certain options like you do have the option to change the size of the text. You can reduce the size, make it smaller, and then you can change it back again to the one that you require. You can also go ahead and change the text to bold, to italics, and you can also underline certain sections. Now, you do have the option to change the color of the text as well. So, yep, those are some of the options that you have to customize the text. Now, in case you want to go ahead and change the alignment, you can go ahead and select the whole text. And then, let's say we want it center aligned. You can go ahead and select the alignment that you want here. Now, if you want to undo any changes, you can just click on the undo option, and this will undo all the changes that you have made and change it back to how it was. Now, we can also add bullet points and also numbers. So this is how you can do that too. Let's go ahead and undo this again. And let's take a look into the other option. Let's say you want to add your company logo or your header. Pretty simple. Place the cursor where you want the image. Click on the image option or the insert image option. Select the relevant image on the computer and there you go. You have the image that will be added as the company heading, let's say here. And you can adjust the size as well. Once you have added these, you can click on the preview and see how the notification will look like for the customer. Once you're happy, close and save. Now, you can go ahead and click on the three dots here, select apply to, select the relevant booking calendar from the list. And let's say we want it from this particular calendar. Done. You can select multiple calendars from the list, and done. And you can apply the notification, custom notification directly here. You can also set this as a default template, which will be sent as the default template going forward for all the new booking calendars and the templates that are using the default. So this is how you can go ahead and create a new custom template. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.